Now, we will demonstrate how easy and safe it is to install a submersible bore pump using the Flexibore system. We have a 15 kilowatt Franklin pump plus 25 meter roll of 3-inch Flexibore hose. We will undertake as much preparation as possible in the workshop prior to heading out to site. The first thing we will do is connect the cable to the electrical motor. The operator ensures that the cables are well joined and sealed using heat shrink. Next, we screw the first coupling into the bore cap. Once this has been done, we then screw the second coupling into the pump outlet. With this preparatory work completed, we are able to assemble all the tools and equipment and load these into the trailer for the installation. Apart from the hose and cable, we will need the following: cable ties for securing the cable to the Flexibore hose, 2 lifting clamps plus a spanner, 2 lifting slings, coupling clamps plus Allen key, and duct tape. Once on site, the hose and cable are rolled out. The Flexibore is slid over the coupling tail and the clamps are secured. We keep the gaps even by tightening in a cross pattern. We strap the electrical cable tightly against the clamp using duct tape. This will prevent the cable from rubbing against the casing. We then fit the other end of the hose to the bore cap in a similar manner. The electrical cable needs to be securely attached to the Flexibore, and this is done at every 1 meter interval. There is a raised locating point under the strip which allows firm attachment. Note that the electrical cable can be secured along the entire length, as on this site we have the available space. It is important to keep the cable snaked. This is because we need to compensate for the low extension that the hose may be subjected to. With the cable securely attached to the hose, we are now ready to lower the pump into the bore. We will use clamps in order to carry out this installation method. We tighten the lifting clamp and lower the pump into the bore. A second clamp is attached in a similar manner, and the whole section of hose is lifted again, allowing the bottom clamp to be undone so that the pump can be lowered further. The small crane can thus be used to install the full length of hose in an easy and safe manner. This pump set with 25 meters of Flexibore has been safely and easily installed by 2 operators in less than 30 minutes. When the time comes for pump retrieval, we simply reverse the process. However, we can also show how this can be carried out using lifting slings instead of clamps. 2 slings plus a steel rod are required in order to carry out this method. Note that no steel safety cable is used with the Flexibore system. The Flexibore gets its high strength from the weaving process. This 76mm hose has a load strength of 8 tons, which is the equivalent weight of a large truck. Proof testing has been carried out by Melbourne Testing Services. They are a NATA accredited laboratory and carried out destructive tests on the Flexibore to these exceptional forces. In summarizing, let's go over the benefits of the Flexibore system. This is the most efficient pumping method due to the swill. This characteristic reduces the electrical costs by approximately 15%. Secondly, the hose can be easily handled, stored and transported. Thirdly, the hose can be easily installed and retrieved in a safe manner with basic equipment. Remember too that no safety cable is required due to the tensile strength. At Crusader Hose, we pride ourselves on our service and carry a large range of stock at our Melbourne factory. We also offer product training and support, so bear us in mind when you next handle your installation pump, and are pleased to share with you some of the world's most advanced pumping methods. If it's a bore, think Flexibore.